On behalf of Erin and Jeff, I would like to extend a warm welcome to their family and friends. They wish to express their heartfelt thanks to all of you for gathering here today, and as witnesses to share in the joy and happiness of their wedding day. We are here not only to witness the vows and the promises you are about to change, but also to wish you both continued happiness, prosperity, and love that your relationship has already brought into your lives. We come together not to mark the start of a marriage, but to recognize the next step of an ongoing adventure you are about to share for the rest of your lives.
My soon-to-be hubby.
It feels like we've been waiting for this day forever. To my wife.
Words cannot express how excited, lucky, and grateful I am to have such an amazing woman to call my wife.
Finally, it's here. I'm the luckiest girl in the world to get to call you mine forever. As I think about the past 8 years that led us here, I remember all the amazing times we've had together. How much love you've shown me, and how much we've grown together as a couple.
Thank you for accepting my annoying little habits and lack of attention span. I cannot picture anyone else to go on this journey with. Thank you for always being there for me and supporting me through all of the good and all of the bad. You are the most caring and loving person I know. I promise to never stop loving you, to never stop spoiling you with romance, and to always put you first.
Thank you for always being silly with me and making me laugh. Thank you for always protecting me and taking care of me. Thank you for all the little and big romantic gestures. And thank you for being the most generous and caring man I've ever known. Most importantly, thank you for choosing me to be your wife and spend forever with.
You are the most important person in my life, my best friend, my crutch. I think about you all day and every day when we are apart. And the best part of my day is when I get to see you again. I cannot wait to see what the future will bring for us. Babies! You are going to be the most amazing mother I have ever seen, and I hope this card didn't ruin your makeup.
Here, a dress.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ.
You're gorgeous.
Oh my God.
You look so handsome.
Oh my. Oh, Erin, you look so beautiful. No. Oh my gosh, beautiful dress. I'm so lucky to be here right now. I love you. They say love is blind. I disagree. Infatuation is blind. Love is all-seeing and accepting. Love is seeing all the flaws and the blemishes and accepting them. Love is recognizing all the fears and insecurities and knowing your role is to comfort. Love is working through all the challenges and painful time. Love is strong, and it strengthens because it is real.
Don't worry, you will find me when you need me.
And Jeff, repeat after me. Erin.
Erin,
Who are you marrying?
I take you as you are,
I take you as you are,
loving who you are now
loving who you are now
and who you are yet to become.
and who you are yet to become.
I promise to listen to you
I promise to listen to you
and learn from you,
and learn from you,
to support you
to support you
and accept your support.
and accept your support.
I will share in your hopes and dreams.
I will share in your hopes and dreams.
I will love you
I will love you
and have faith in your love for me.
and have faith in your love for me.
Let us be partners,
Let us be partners,
friends and lovers,
friends and lovers,
today
today
and all the days to follow.
and all the days to follow.
And Erin, repeat after me. Jeff.
Jeff,
Nailed
I
it.
take you as you are,
I take you as you are,
loving who you are now
loving who you are now
and who you are yet to become.
and who you are yet to become.
I promise to listen to you
I promise to listen to you
and learn from you,
and learn from you,
to support you
to support you
and accept your support.
and accept your support.
I will share in your hopes and dreams.
I will share in your hopes and dreams.
I will love you
I will love you
and have faith in your love for me.
and have faith in your love for me.
Let us be partners,
Let us be partners,
friends and lovers,
friends and lovers,
today
today
and all the days to follow.
and all the days to follow.
Erin and Jeff, by the power vested in me, by the great state of New Jersey, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jeff, you may kiss your bride.
Erin and I have been by each other's sides for each and every milestone, starting at middle school, graduation up to college, and now engagements and weddings. She is completely selfless and is always concerned for other people's happiness. She's been there through me for the good and the bad, and I could not thank her enough for being such a loyal friend. As Erin knows, I rarely approve of the guys that my friends date, but Jeff has raised the bar tremendously, and I'm so happy they chose each other. I know he's going to make a wonderful husband. Everyone here today can tell how much they both love and respect each other. The love they have is very rare and hard to come by. Erin and Jeff, congratulations. You both are beautiful people inside and out. I wish you a long, healthy, and happy marriage.
When Jeff called me to ask me to give a toast, I misheard him and thought that he wanted me to give a roast. He has since clarified, but I think I'm going to stick to the roast idea. Erin's great for Jeff. She's fun, always up for anything. She brings stability and planning into their relationship. Jeff is like, let's buy a new watch. And Erin's like, no, let's buy a house. I feel like she is often the voice of reason and the one who makes a face when Jeff does or says something silly. It's no secret that Erin was ready to get married. I couldn't believe that Jeff waited as long as he did, but I was so relieved when I found out he was going to ask in Ireland. When he did finally ask, they posted pictures of the proposal. You could see the happiness in both of their eyes. They're perfect for each other in every way. He will put her first in all that he does, and she will be there to act as a guide, a voice of reason, and yes, his own private photographer. Jeff and Erin, look around this room, see all the love that's here. This is your family. Remember these faces and these moments. Have the experience paramount and the results wonderful. There's a bright future ahead, and you've got your best partner the whole way. Continue creating the life you love, and should you ever need anything, your family is always here.
I do this with everyone, and I'm quick to fall in love no matter what. And I wouldn't understand if I don't get another chance after I think I said I love you just a couple of times. At the time it felt right. I talked about our future, think I took it too far.
Today is going to be the most amazing and happiest day of our lives, and I am beyond excited to celebrate it with you. I love you so, so much, always and forever. To us, love your husband.
I love you with everything I am, and I cannot wait to start on this journey as husband and wife together. I know you're going to be an amazing husband and an even more amazing father to our future children. Biscuit Basket and Cinnamon Toast Crunch Appleson. I can't wait to see you, kiss you, and start our forever. Thank you for being my person. I love you, Bidu. Love your wife.
From this day forward, you will be best friends, soulmates, and stand by each other's side through whatever life may bring your way. Through good times and bad, you will live together, grow and change together. You will commit to be all you can to keep your marriage strong and happy, and alive with possibilities. From this day forward, you will walk together and find peace and happiness, side by side, hand in hand, and heart to heart.